Hola everyone, here we are in the office of the new shop. Echo chamber number 1. Oh. And this is echo chamber number 2. This one's a lot echoier. Yesterday we moved everything from our old shop into this shop. What we're gonna do now is go get the metal cabinet and a couple of shelves from Home Depot to start unpacking all this junk. But without any further ado, let's hop on the bus and get some stuff. Garage organization. That's what I'm looking for.
Stop. It's not a segue.
All loaded up. Let's get going.
Now they're saying soft pencil block with melting cheese. And I love this one. They say it's
Nicar gas is also coming at some point, I hope, to turn the gas on so we can have some heat in here, because it's a little chilly, it's not bad. And then I'm also hopefully getting a couch for this office area. I want like the largest sectional I can fit in here. I just want a massive couch. Bad news, I started unpacking this cabinet I bought, and we got 2 big old dents right there. It's not like a huge deal, but this is the very front of the cabinet. If it was on the back or something, I wouldn't care, but right on the front, like, nah. I paid 400 bucks for this thing. Now I have to load the trailer up again and do all this. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these, put them together, and make sure these aren't dented as well. The cabinets are awesome. They're undamaged and they look great and they're strong. They're so much better than the ones we had at the old shop. Only problem is that it is wire shelving, so we can't put anything small on it because obviously it'll just fall through, which is why we got this cabinet. Obviously that's that's ruined, but I think we're gonna go back to Home Depot now, get a different cabinet, try to, or just return it. I don't know, we'll see. The return was successful, but the 4 other cabinets that they had were all dented. So that's not. So yeah, don't want a dented cabinet. I'm gonna go to a different Home Depot and look at some, I guess. Brakes. We were able to find one that isn't hopefully dented, isn't dented, so that's cool. Would you look at that? I never organize things, but like, it's so nice. And it's still not finished. I need to get pegboard things for the pegboard doors. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty good. I really like it. It's gonna be really nice. Next thing I'm doing is cleaning and organizing my toolbox because I bought this thing. I never really organized it. I kind of just stuffed tools in it and it was really dirty and yeah. I mean, everything from the other shop is really dirty. That's the thing, because there was mud everywhere. So I want to clean it so it doesn't get my nice new shop really dirty. And it'll actually stay clean in this shop, so that's good. Oh, perfect. You know what? Instead of making you watch this, let's do a before and after. Before, after. Before, after. Before, later. Before, the end. I didn't realize how freaking nice it is to have organized, clean tools. I know where everything is. If I touch something and pick it up, I don't have to wash my hands because they're clean. Toolbox needs a new top because I kind of ruined it with Plasti Dip and some other things. But yeah, it's more or less organized. I got all the stuff that I'm going to use often in here, like, you know, sockets, wrenches, angle grinder, because, you know, we all know that that's what made this channel. Hey, bad joke. And then the tools that I'll use less are down here, like my wood saw, bandsaw, timing light, etc., etc. So, you know, that's pretty good. I think it might be time to get a new creeper. How the heck did that happen? For some reason this doesn't turn, and it's just been rubbing against the ground. No wonder why it's so hard to roll. Yeah, this thing has seen better days. Now another really cool thing that I got at Home Depot are these things. And this is called Fast Track. It's essentially like a pegboard on steroids that looks a little bit nicer. I'm just gonna be using it to hold any extra tools I might have, keep it even more organized. Before we put that up on the wall, we're gonna go ahead and go get a sectional I found on Facebook store. I don't know if that's more or less sketchy than Craigslist, but it's a nice big leather sectional that looks in pretty decent condition for a pretty good price. Hopefully it fits in that tiny trailer. Oh, and if anybody wants a FC door in decent condition, I'll give it to you for free if you come and pick it up. I just want it out of my shop. I want this junk out of here, so email me right there if you want a free FC door. Please don't email me if you're not serious. I get so many fake emails from people who want to buy stuff from me, and it's so annoying, so just please, don't do that. Come and get it. Hey, cool school bus lights. Okay. That's a couch. Oh wow, auto removed. It's definitely not the nicest couch. The first word that comes to mind is cheap. The real question is, should we put it here and have the TV on that wall, or like this with the TV there? And I've already decided that I want it like this with the TV there. Now the coolest thing about this couch, hey, cup holders. Yeah, that's it. All right, that'll actually be really convenient though. So yeah, office is making progress. We're gonna get some more furniture tomorrow, so that'll be nice. I've got some more things to hang up in here, so I'm gonna get started. So yeah, that's the fast track. I'm probably gonna add more of them once I get more stuff, but that's, you know, it's good for now. I definitely think I should have gotten a ladder and put it higher, but that works for now. We got a ratcheting extension cord, which I've always wanted. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I think we got a decent amount of progress done. I'm just so exhausted. Past 3 to 4 days of waking up at, can't even talk. Past 3 to 4 days I've woken up at 7 a.m., which normally I wake up at like noon, which is bad. I'm glad I'm waking up early, but it's just something to get used to. I'm really tired. Uploading daily is also exhausting. That's gonna be coming to an end real quick, but for now I'm gonna keep doing it just because we're doing small things to the shop every day. It's a good thing to daily upload. Really happy with the way the shop is turning out. We need some more furniture, need some workbenches, some TVs, some other stuff, but we're close. We got our electricity, our water, our heat now, so that's all good. Just gotta get Wi-Fi. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy the video, please give it a dislike and tell me how I can improve. If you guys want to support the channel more than just watching videos, go ahead, check out the description. There's my merch, which is now fixed, the link, and there's Patreon. The support on both of those has been insane. It blows my mind. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.